Welcome to another lesson in math, and we're looking at a question on statistics and sequences. Okay, and this is a question that appeared in the paper that was written on 7th July 2016. And if you'd like more videos like this one or video lessons like this one, feel free to contact us on the numbers highlighted in green. Okay, so let us go on to the question. So this is the question, it was question number 10 in this paper. And it says, that is part A. It says the median of 2x plus 3, comma, x, and 2x plus 12 is 9, where x is a positive integer. Okay, so the median, this is the topic on statistics. So this is from the topic statistics. So they're saying the median of these numbers, or these terms, is 9. Okay, or these statistics, it's 9. Find the value of x. So in other words, they've expressed each figure in terms of an algebraic expression. That is, 2x plus 3 represents one number, and x represents another number, and 2x plus 12 represents another number. And the three numbers, the median for the three numbers is 9. So from statistics, you need to understand, for you to answer this question, you first need to understand what median means. What is a median or a mode? Okay, a mode is the most frequent. Mean is simply the average of all the numbers. So you add all the numbers and divide by the frequency. Okay, or how many numbers there are, you divide by the frequency of the numbers. Yeah, total frequency of the numbers. But for median, okay, I said mode is the most frequent. So median is simply the middle number. When you arrange them in alphabetical order, or sorry, not in alphabetical order, but in order, ascending order or descending order, when you arrange the numbers in order of ascenders or descenders, you pick the middle number. That will be your median. If there are two of them, you have to add them and divide by 2, then that will represent your median. That's what median is, okay, according to statistics. So these three numbers, then what will be important is to arrange them in order. Okay, and sorry, here I wrote meridian, but actually it's supposed to be median, not meridian. Meridian is your longitude reference, which is 0 prime meridian. It's your longitude, but this is supposed to be median. This was just a mistake. Okay, so it says this is equal to the middle value of a data set. Okay, if you're given a data set, like I was saying, this is a data set. Data set just means a list of all the members in a population. Okay, if you're given a population, okay, population of elements or numbers, a set, in other words, the elements in there would be called the all the elements will be called the data set. And the middle value of all these, when you arrange them in order, will be the median. Therefore, when arranged in ascending order, we have, now remember the question told us that the x is a positive integer. So that gives us a clue on which number will be bigger than the other. Okay, if you arrange them in, or if you check them or analyze them. So if x is a positive number, think about it. If x is a 1, which one will be bigger between x and 2x plus 3? Obviously, x will be, obviously 2x plus 3 will be bigger than the x. And in this one, which has 2x plus 12 and 2x plus 3, which one will be big? The one which obviously has the 12 than the one with the 3. So this is the order in which they will be arranged in ascending order. And then the median then will be the middle number, which is 2x plus 3. And they've told us in the question that this median should be equal to 9. It's equal to 9. So we equate 2x plus 3 to 9. Yeah, 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. And then if you collect like terms, the 3 will go to the other side. We're trying to find the value of x, as the question as asked. The 3 goes to the other side, crosses the equal sign, becomes negative. So 9 minus 3, it's 6. And then to get rid of the 2, don't let it cross because it's not plus, so it's not adding or subtracting with the x, but it's multiplying. So do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So divide by 2, and whatever you do on one side, do it on the other side. Divide everything on the left by 2 and everything on the right by 2. So we'll cancel out the 2 on the left. X will remain, which is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the value of x is 3. We found the first question, the answer to the first question, or the solution. Then part B says, what is the position of 999 in the sequence, represented by the nth term, n to the power 3 minus 1? So this is the topic. This is a question from the topic sequences, okay, or your AP and GP, arithmetic progressions and geometric progressions. So this should probably be an AP, sorry, a GP, which is a geometric progression, which has to do with a ratio, common ratio, more than common difference. You're not really adding or subtracting to get the next term, but you are probably multiplying by certain ratio or certain number, certain figure. Okay, so but that may not be necessary. Knowing whether it's a GP or AP, not very necessary in this question. You just know that this is the general formula for finding the nth term. Okay, and they've given you that what is the position of 999 in the sequence. So it means this is your solution. This is the actual number. So for you to know what n it represents, it means you have to equate this to this general formula and find out what n is to give you the position in that sequence. Okay, so let's do that. N to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to 999. And when we collect like terms, the 1 crosses the equal sign, becomes positive. When you add the 2, it becomes 1000. Then find the cube root of both sides, not the square root, because this is raised to the power 3. So you find the cube root, meaning find a number which when you multiply by itself 3 times will give you 1000. That is the number 10. And remember, we're interested in the positive only. But then for cubes actually, you can only get a positive when the original root was positive, unless for square root. For cube root, you can only get a positive root if the number is positive. If it's negative, it will give you a negative answer. If you say negative 10 times negative 10, it's positive 100 times negative 10 will be negative 1000. So it cannot be negative 10. Okay, so it's just positive 10, unless for square roots or for even numbered roots, those are the ones which give you two answers, a positive and a negative. Okay, so n is equal to 10, meaning the position of 999 this sequence given by that general formula is the 10th position. So these are our two answers, and you present them like that. You put them in the spaces given for the marker to see, and they have those marks, 3 marks. All right, we've come to the end of this lesson. Feel free to contact us in the numbers highlighted in green, and all the best in your studies.